we'll guide you through how to manage your Google Docs storage efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Google Drive by visiting drive.google.com on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll see a summary of your storage usage at the bottom of the left panel. This area shows how much space you're using and the total available. To manage your storage, click on the Storage link in the left panel. This will take you to a detailed view of all files stored in your Google Drive, sorted by file size. You should start by identifying large files that you no longer need. Click on the Storage Used column to sort files from largest to smallest. This helps you quickly spot what's taking up the most space. If you see any files or documents you can do without, simply right-click and select Remove. After removing files, remember to go to the Trash folder on the left and click Empty Trash to permanently delete those files and free up space. Another tip is to compress large files or share them using links instead of keeping multiple copies in your drive. If you've maxed out your storage and can't delete anything else, consider upgrading your storage plan through Google One by clicking Buy Storage at the bottom of the storage summary. This provides more space for your documents and other files. Managing your storage efficiently can keep your Google Docs and Drive organized and running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.